Hello and welcome again. Now here is the new topic which is about famous forests. Okay, so the book we are studying with is from Next Education. Okay, so first of all, let us discuss about some famous forests. So basically, what is a forest? Forest is a part of ecosystem. Okay, with dense grow of trees means the trees which are growing densely in a single area, है ना, means घने हुए इस तरीके से कई सारे एक साथ. Okay, like this. So dense grow of trees and it serves as the habitat for many living organisms. Forests are a precious natural resources, है ना. Without forest we can't even think of our life. Okay, because uh, means we can say that ki we cannot even breathe, है ना, in the absence of trees, in the absence of forest. Okay, forests are the main source of rain, fresh oxygen, fresh air. Okay, like this, and also many things that are we are using in this time directly comes from the forest. Okay, like paper, timber, fuel, etc. Okay, so major three types of forest are there. First is coniferous forest, then deciduous forest, then rainforest. So as by name, rainforest, where the most of the year it is having the rainfall. Deciduous means some rainfall is there, and sometimes no rain was there, means दोनों equal part है ना. And coniferous, in which the trees are in the shape of cones, है ना, the conical peak of the trees. Okay, so those type of forests are called conical forest. Okay. So here's the first one. The forest is located in Nottinghamshire, England. Okay, Nottingham is a city of England, a city in England. Okay, so its fictional association with the legend of Robin Hood attracts visitors from all over the world. The famous Robin Hood story that he steals from the wealthiest person and give it to the poorest person. So this story, है ना, makes the or attracts the visitors from all over the world. The major attraction of this forest is major oak. Oak is a type of tree whose, look, these are the oak trees, you know, whose wood is very hard. Okay, the tree which is 800 to 1000 years old. According to the local folklore, this tree was the principal hideout of Robin Hood. Means Robin Hood, when he steal from the wealthiest people, he used to hide in this forest only. ओके, लोकल फॉकलोर, फॉकलोर मीन्स जो लोकल के लोग कहानियाँ सुनाते हैं अपने एरिया वाइज, है ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड लोकल फॉकलोर. ओके, सो दिस फॉरेस्ट इज कॉल्ड शेरवुड फॉरेस्ट, शेरवुड. Okay, now the next one, the forest is located in southwest Germany. This forest gets its name from the thick canopy of trees which makes it look dark. Okay, Dreiberg Falls, which is one of the highest falls in Germany, is seen here. Here we have the one of the greatest fall or highest fall of world, that is called Dreiberg Falls. Falls, you know, suppose this is the mountain range, and from here the river makes a fall, ना, झरना इस टाइप से. तो that is the highest fall in Germany, है ना. Other tourist attraction in this forest include walking, cycling, skiing trials, है ना, skiing trials, etc. Skiing trials means you have seen a person, he makes, he just use the parachute type kite and used to roam in the sky there. Okay, so the name of this forest is black forest because of the canopy of trees which make it look dark. Okay, now the third one, the rainforest in the Central Africa. Okay, it is the second largest rainfall in the world after Amazon. So Amazon is the largest forest of the world, and it is the second largest, which is called Congo Basin. Okay, what is it? It is called Congo Basin, or simply just Congo. Okay, it is the second largest rainforest in the world after Amazon. African pygmies, who are known for their short stature, are the inhabitants of this rainforest. Okay. Fourth one, the forest reserve is located in Sri Lanka. It is a national park, a biodiversity hotspot, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. UNESCO means United Nature Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization. Okay, so they give the certified site where the tourists, where the people from other countries can visit this place, है ना? So a mark is given by UNESCO. Okay, like near to us, the Khajuraho is the UNESCO heritage site. Okay, a vast repository of the country endemic species is found in the forest reserve. Okay, many species are found in this forest reserve. So what is the name of this forest? It is Shinjara. Sorry, the spelling will be Sinharaj, Sinraja. Okay. Now fifth one, the rainforest is the world's largest tropical rainforest. It is the largest tropical rainforest. Look, in our previous we have just discussed that what is the largest rainforest in India, or the rainforest in India, not in India, in world, that is Amazon. Okay, so the answer of this is Amazon. Now next one, the Dutch rainforest is one of the oldest on the planet and is biggest tropical rainforest located in Australia. Australia's biggest tropical rainforest, and its name is what? Its name is Dendri. Okay, so you have to learn about it and do watch the video and do the practice, also learn some details about it. Okay, so every time we have something more to know. So Sagano bamboo forest is located in Arashiyama, Japan. It is famous for tall bamboo trees. Bamboo trees, and the sound which the wind make its blow among the bamboos means you can see the air you can search it on Google, because sound, I can't describe the sound that is made by the air, but it is the pleasant sound. Okay, so the hollow structure of wood. So suppose this is the bamboo tree, it is a straight as line. So suppose here we have a cut, and if suppose this is the cut. Okay, so like this. So when air passes through it, it will make a sound while passing through this bamboo, and this sound is so pleasant while hearing. Okay, so you can search it on Google, that the sound made by the bamboo forest that is located in Arashiyama, Japan. Okay, now complete the chapter.